In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate arrows in PowerPoint in 5 different ways. If you're looking to add a bit of dynamism to your presentations, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create eye-catching animations that will undoubtedly impress your audience. Let's dive right in. First up, go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. It's important to ensure that you're working in the latest version to take full advantage of all the available features. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to enhance with an animated arrow. It's good to have an idea of where you want the animation to be, so look over your slides and decide where an animated arrow would make the most impact. Now let's move on to where the real action begins. Head over to the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. This section is where you'll find various options to make your slides more engaging, from images and text boxes to icons and shapes. Speaking of shapes, go ahead and click on the Shapes button. This will open up a wide array of shapes you can insert into your presentation, perfect for everything from basic geometric forms to specialized icons. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on adding a down arrow. After selecting the Shapes button, you will be presented with a variety of arrows. Choose the down arrow and simply click where you'd like it to appear on your slide. If it's not in the perfect spot, don't worry, you can easily click and drag it into the precise position that fits your layout best. This flexibility allows you to customize your presentation with ease. With the arrow added, it's time to make it come alive. Navigate to the Animation tab, which you'll also find along the top menu. Clicking on this tab will bring a whole host of animation options into view. We're going to take this static arrow and transform it into a dynamic moving object that helps communicate your message more effectively. In the Animation tab, there is a drop-down menu dedicated to animations. Click the drop-down and scroll through the options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the line animation, which can be found near the bottom of the list. This choice will give your arrow a sleek, professional motion that adds a powerful visual punch to your presentation. Once you've selected the line animation, you'll see handles on the arrow that allow you to adjust the direction and distance of the animation. Experiment with these settings to tailor the movement to your content. You're really only limited by your imagination when it comes to animations in PowerPoint. And there you have it, you've learned how to take a simple arrow and infuse it with life using animations. With these skills, you can create engaging, visually appealing presentations that captivate your audience. Happy PowerPoint designing, and thanks for watching. Tschern.